Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Robinhood Legend for beginners step by step. Open the app and complete account setup, then verify identity and link a bank. Set security options like two-factor authentication. Next, we will explore the dashboard, create a watch list, and review basic order types so you can place your first trade confidently and safely. The app layout is simple and friendly, so I will walk you through each key area as we go. Start at the home screen to access your account, watch lists, and market overview. Use the search tool to open a simple page, then review charts, news, and fundamentals before deciding. I'll explain how to read order books, set alerts, and switch between time frame views for smarter decisions. If you're enjoying the walkthrough, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, smart mapping, and long battery life make tidying effortless and free up time to research trades. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Placing a trade is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you feel comfortable. Select the order type like market or limit, enter shares or a dollar amount, then review estimated cost and buying power. Double-check order details, set optional stop losses if desired, and submit. After submission, monitor order status and learn how to cancel or modify when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.